How to add products to TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. First, download TikTok Shop Seller app. Then sign up with your TikTok account. Go to Settings. Click Linked TikTok Accounts. Click Official Account. Scroll down. Click Unlink Official Account. You will see this. You can read it first. Click Unlink. Go back to Link TikTok Account button. Click Marketing Accounts. Type your TikTok username. Click Send Invitation. Then you will see this. But you don't need to wait for too long. Go back to your TikTok account. Refresh and scroll down. Click Inbox. Read the system notification. Click the new request. Wait for a moment. You will see this. Read this before accepting request. Click Accept Request. Then link account. Scroll down and you will see this instructions. Then go back to your TikTok account. You will see this and you have to refresh it. You can see your added products already. For more videos like this, please like, comment and share.